What? What's up, dudes? What? What you doing? What you doing, fool? What you doing?
Shop front door.
Oh, is that a demon? Oh my lord. It is. But that's a Mustang.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another race for you in the stock 2018 Mustang GT with just an E85 tune. It does have a stock airbox, stock header, stock exhaust. Everything is completely stock except it has an E85 tune from Lund Racing via their email tuning system. The reason why I'm trying to get another video or two racing with this car because we have the hot parts coming in next week. We've got the front mount coming on Monday. So after that, I will no longer be able to race the car as it sits because it will have a turbo kit on it. And I know a lot of people have really liked to see what this car can do with just a tune. Whether you like it or don't like it, people want to see the races. And I think it's cool because it kind of gives people out there an idea that have a 2018 Mustang GT and maybe they just want to do an E85 tune. Or maybe they want to make a little more power than mine and throw some headers, intake, or an exhaust on, which I didn't do because I knew I was going to turbo the car. So I just do these races for fun. You guys like to see them. I like to see what the car can do for being what it is. And I always knew I was going to turbo the car, so I really don't care if someone beat me because the car is going to be at a whole different power level than the people that I'm racing. We are racing a 5th gen ZL1 today. We'll show you guys that when we get over there, but I've got to slap the front bumper back on because I did take it off in order to move the bumper support out of the way. We shifted the radiator forward a couple inches to give us more room for the turbo. And I moved a wiring harness, so gotta throw the front bumper back on before we go play in Mexico. So we'll see you guys over there. All right, so we gotta move the demon forward. Let's get this pig started. Stand out of the way. I was wondering what it was like to drive Titanic. And now for the 2018 Ford Mustang GT Lightweight Heavy Champion of the World. I screwed that up. Where's this shit at? I don't know. Damn! Stock life! Where's Kennedy at?
So late!
Alright, so we are on the way to Mexico. Pretty cold out today. Well, not cold.
It's chilly.
Yeah, it's a little chilly out, so I don't think we'll be doing any low rolls, especially since I only have 235 all-season tires. I don't know what kind of tires Dylan has, but we're about to find out. So we're headed to Mexico. Got to cross the border here in just a second. We got our passports.
Mine's expired.
What? Well, get out the car. You're gonna get us in trouble.
I forgot to tell you.
Oh, great. So I guess we're gonna drop Kennedy off. We'll leave her in America. America.
America.
All right, Dylan, tell him what's up. Don't be backing up, man.
We've got a whopping 580 horsepower to the crank.
Oof.
The wheel probably somewhere around 480 to 500. I don't
So
really
we're pretty
know.
freaking close, dude. That's like spot on.
Yeah, so we're close, but I'm also a lot heavier.
Yeah, he's a lot heavier. So that's a ZL1 LSA motor, supercharged, 6.2, man trans, driver mod, right?
Yeah.
You got better tires than I do, at least. I got real shitty tires, but you still don't have a drag radial.
Yeah.
Even these stock cars need a drag radial, honestly. Rear wheel drive.
This is my third set. I only have 24,000 miles.
Oh shit.
I go through them pretty quick.
So he don't mess around. It's completely stock though, right?
Yes.
Did you do a muffler delete or no?
Yeah, it has a muffler.
Oh, okay. That don't do shit.
No, that's all.
So it just has a muffler delete, but other than that, it's completely stock. Super clean. It's got 20,000 miles now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. I like your license. Hell yeah. It looks good. So he's raced Joe with the 6th gen. Got beat by Joe, obviously. The 5th gen and the 6th gen are completely different monsters.
Oh, yeah.
They made a huge change with them. But we'll see what happens. So do you know what's a good roll for you?
Probably 45.
45? Because you can be in what, 2nd?
Yeah, I'll be in 2nd.
Okay. So we'll try 45, and then if we need to, we'll try a higher roll.
Yeah,
45 is actually okay for me because I can be in 2nd too. Look how ugly my car is compared to yours.
You're getting new wheels, aren't you?
Yeah, that's what's killing it is the wheels. They're so ugly. It's like a base model midlife crisis wheel.
Other than that, though, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, no, I think the front ends are cool. I think they look really good from the back. But yeah, those wheels are like the performance pack has wheels kind of like yours, like multi-spoke, and that looks way better.
Yeah, I like the front end on the. That's an 18, right?
Yeah, it's 18.
Front end on the 18s look way better than the previous 15 to 15 to 18.
Yeah.
15 to 17. My dad was a little bit bigger, wasn't his?
What year is your dad's?
His was a 15.
Oh, okay. So the first, he had the first S550.
Yep.
Yeah, they run pretty good for stock. I mean, it's just got an E85 tin, so. But for stock, they're pretty good, man. Out here beating up bolt-on cars.
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous.
But see, you could put a pulley on yours and just totally destroy my car. So.
Yeah.
Are you gonna mod it or no?
Yeah, eventually. I want to get another truck, and then after that,
Need a daily.
yeah,
Need a daily
definitely.
so you can beat the shit out
Do
of it.
something like Garrett's.
Yeah.
Cam, long tubes, cold air tune. Then that'll probably be it. Oh,
Yeah.
well, pulley obviously, but
Yeah.
I don't want to go as big as he did with the
Crazy.
1,000 cc injectors.
Yeah.
Probably-
E85, man, it helps.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, so we did a 45 roll. I think it's probably too low for him because real slow for him off the get-go. Like I think he needs to be in a higher RPM. So we're gonna try like 50, maybe 55, so he can be in a higher RPM. Because I definitely had a better shot because I was at like I think 4,500 RPMs at 45 miles an hour. So it's a little too low for him. So we're gonna try like 50 to 55.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, third gear was actually okay at 50. It was like 50, 55, but I'm gonna give him the hit on this next one. We go 50, and we'll see if that helps him. He just needs to be in a higher RPM. We'll see what happens.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell me when you're ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Action.
What? All right, guys, so we're gonna close out the video. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed that. Huge shout out to Dylan and Aaron for coming out with the ZL1. I kind of expected that to happen just because those ZL1s are a lot heavier, the 5th gens, and they have the LSA motor, which honestly has a lot of potential, but from the factory, they're not that quick. But obviously, if you did like a pulley swap, intake headers, exhaust, maybe even E85, those cars are really good street cars. They make a ton of power. So that's what the good thing is about cars like that already have a power adder, like a supercharger, is you literally just do pulleys and you can make some power. But the Tang held its own. The engine didn't give up just yet, or the transmission. It's still intact for now. So like I said, guys, I'm trying to get a few more runs in before we start really modding the Mustang because everything's gonna be in within the next week to two. And then from there, we got to get a fuel system, and then we can start racing some higher horsepower cars. But I know you guys wanted to see what it could do against some stock cars. So that's a completely stock 5th gen 2014 ZL1. So huge shout out to Dylan for coming out. Kennedy, thoughts? She wants to work out.
It's leg day, boys.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video.
Hopefully I get to see some of you in Houston this week. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Bambi39, and we'll see you on the next one.
The next